guys, I'm back at it again with some bathroom filming. It's been a little while since I've done this, but I skipped the headband today. I thought about putting it on and then I was like, you know what, I wear that in every single bathroom chit chat, so I just did like a bun. I just got out of the shower, so I went to the gym today, and usually right after the gym I have to wash my face, and I didn't wash my face, and it's been like 2 hours since I've gotten home from the gym because I took a shower, so I did like splash water on it, but it feels disgusting, you guys, and I need to wash my face. So I thought I would film a little bathroom chit chat with y'all. I got this awesome package from Saturday Skin. I know it's probably kind of hard to see. I don't know about this lighting. I can never quite get the lighting down in my videos, but here's the package they sent me. They are such a good brand. You guys already know that I am obsessed with a couple of their products already, and the fact that they sent me so many more products, I'm just like, oh, so excited, and I can't wait to test them out. So I figured I would use pretty much every single one of them. Yeah, use them in this video with you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of hop into it. So the products that I already have from Saturday Skin are the Daily Dew Hydrating Essence Mist and their Rub-A-Dub Peeling Gel. I stinking love this stuff so much. I want to say that Saturday Skin is a K-beauty brand. Yeah, made in Korea. So K-beauty brand. And I feel like K-beauty is just like popping up everywhere in like Sephora and Ulta, and I love it so much because their products are so innovative and so different from what we're used to here in the US, and I just honestly can't get enough of it. So the whole like deal behind Saturday Skin is that they basically want every day to feel like Saturday. So they say this collection is a recipe for radiant, rested skin, like the perfect Saturday. Time slows down and your face lights up. The key to Saturday Skin is the Chia, or Cha 7S complex, an inclusive peptide formula that promotes skin's natural regeneration process. Interesting. So they are vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and synthetic color-free, which is fantabulous. I think I'm going to start out with the Rub-A-Dub Peel Gel. I've used this on camera with you guys many times before, but this is their exfoliating product. I like to use this about once or twice a week, just as my typical exfoliating. It's a very gentle exfoliator. If you're somebody who doesn't like those products with like the gritty, sandy texture because you're afraid that it's going to mess up your skin, definitely get a peel gel product. This is a fabulous one. All these products are available at Sephora, by the way, and I will definitely link them all down below for you so that you can check it out. But basically what this does is it like sticks to the dead skin on your face, and like, see those little white dots right there? It like peels it up and rolls it into like this jelly peely, I don't know. It's so disgusting, but so satisfying, like all at the same time, because these little balls that are all over my face right now is dead skin, which is super gross. Okay, next I'm gonna try a new product to me. This is their Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. The boxes are so cute, you guys. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's basically like this millennial pink and then like a mint green, and as you can tell by my shower curtain and some of my little bathroom stuff, mint green is my favorite color, and so is millennial pink. So I get the best of both worlds with this product packaging. But yeah, their Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser is something I've had my eye on for a really long time. So basically you're supposed to squeeze cleanser into the palm of your hand, emulsify using a circular motion, and apply all over your face. This has apple and peach extracts in it, which I can't wait to smell it because that sounds absolutely amazing to me. So yeah, apple and peach extracts whisk away impurities without stripping the skin for a fresh, revitalized complexion. So I'm actually going to use this on my beauty blender, or not my beauty blender, my Clarisonic. This, I'm just reading the box. An inclusive peptide formula. Oh, that's just telling you what the brand is known for. Ooh, this is a pretty big bottle. 4.5 ounces. So, gosh, I love the color of this. I know you can't really, like, this ring light makes things, there you go. You can see it's like millennial pink. So cute. Okay, there's a seal on it, which is good. I'm glad they have the seal, but I'm like, ah. It doesn't smell as sweet as I was hoping, but I guess that's because it is free of all those synthetic fragrances that are in most skincare. Yeah, it doesn't have that sweet of a scent. So I did probably put a little bit too much. When you use your Clarisonic, you really don't need that much product. So I have a towel on the floor because I have a feeling this is going to get everywhere. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, so you can tell this definitely gets really, really bubbly, really, really sudsy. You can see my brush head a little bit better there. My skin feels really nice and just kind of like smooth, and it's not like a super thick formula, and it's not like a jelly formula either. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's actually a texture that I've never really felt in a facial cleanser before. I like it. So I'm gonna rinse this off. My skin feels about a million times better than it did 9 minutes ago when I started this video, but it does feel very kind of dry. So I will say that if you have super dry skin, you may or may not like this. I mean, this is the first time I've used it, so I can't really, you know, speak to it too much, but I do feel like my skin is very dry and it's kind of like sticky feeling. So I'm gonna use some of the Essence Mist really quick, the Daily Dew Essence Mist, and just kind of hydrate my skin. That is something that you can use over makeup also to just kind of refresh your face throughout the day. God, it smells so good. That one has, all of these products have like a clean scent to them, but this one has, I don't know, something else. So I just like to kind of press that into my skin. So next I'm going to try one of their facial masks. I didn't even know they had sheet masks, so I'm so incredibly excited that they sent this to me to try out. So this is their Quench Intense Hydration Mask. It says, like a cool drink of water for your skin, hyaluronic acid replenishes moisture, while watermelon and aloe naturally hydrate and refresh. Watermelon, holy Toledo. I love the coloring on these. So, okay, so let's open this baby up. It's already really juicy. I could tell because when I opened that up, it like flung and it's like oozing from the package. I love super juicy sheet masks. I feel like they just are a million times better than the ones that are kind of more drying. This is a really odd texture, you guys. Usually sheet masks are like very, like a solid sheet. This has like a mesh. Oh, wait a minute, I'm confused. Is that just to, whoa, okay, this is really, really cool. Am I supposed to take the mesh off? What do the instructions say? Hold on a minute. First, cleanse and tone the face, unfold mask, remove one side of mesh, apply to face, remove, okay. I'm glad I read the instructions because I would have left the mesh on. I've never seen a sheet mask with this, like, you're gonna see in a minute. See how this is like, it's like netting, like fishing net almost. Okay, so you don't leave that on, you take that off. Here we go. I mean, I guess the netting does make it easier to hold and much easier to apply. That's very ingenious though. So you see what I mean with like this K-beauty products have these like really inventive new ideas. Okay, so you're supposed to put it on and then take off the second layer of, see if I get closer you can see it's like a fishing net almost. Okay, and now it's going to be a little bit harder to position. Okay, so I'm supposed to leave this on for 20 minutes. Oh, it smells, doesn't smell like watermelon, but it does definitely smell really clean and nice and not too fruity or fragrant. It's really jelly too, like it's almost like a hydrogel texture. feels nice and cooling and fresh on my skin. So I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes. Before I do that, there's a ton of extra like juice in here. So, I mean, yeah, I could probably scoop it out and like put it in a jar. There's a ton in there. So I'm just gonna kind of rub this down my neck, maybe my arms. Okay, so this says leave on for 20 minutes, discard the mask and gently tap essence into the skin. Do not wash face. I'll be back. I have to say, you guys, this is probably one of the most like well-structured sheet masks I've ever tried. I feel like it really almost morphed into like the texture of like a jelly skin. That sounds weird, but like it stuck on my face. I didn't feel like it was flopping off anywhere. I didn't have to fiddle with it or fuss with it, and I was like running around setting up my lights for filming, cleaning, doing stuff like that, and I didn't have to like fuss with it. It just stayed put. So I really like the way that this feels and the way that it just kind of like morphs into your skin and just like stays put. So definitely recommend that mask. And it didn't leave my skin too sticky feeling or too like slippery feeling. I feel like I just feel really hydrated. It is a little bit like, I don't know if you can see or hear, but it's, I mean, it's a little bit on the tacky side, but I just feel really hydrated and I don't feel tight skinned or anything like that. So I really recommend that. Gosh, my skin feels so good. I just feel like, Okay, I am going to use an eye cream that is not Saturday Skin. They do have an eye cream, I just don't own the eye cream. So I'm going to use my Drunk Elephant. I've been loving this. It's their Sea Tango eye cream. So the next product is the newest member of the Saturday Skin family, and it's their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. So it's an innovative anti-aging water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals with a symbiosis of science and potent ingredients. So the ingredients are Alaska Glacier Water. Interesting. Pristine mineral-rich water sourced from Alaska protects the skin from free radicals while promoting optimal absorption of moisture. Okay. Expert Moist. Interesting. Is a fusion of ferment extract and amino acids that shield the skin from dehydration while improving skin vitality. Interesting. Iceland moss extract. These are some weird ingredients. Claims to reduce inflammation while promoting hydration. Okay. And then the CHA 7 or I'm going to say CHA 7S complex is the exclusive 7-peptide formula that promotes skin's natural regeneration process. Very cool. I'm really pumped about it. The packaging is super cute. It's that same millennial pink. It has, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, I have to catch it in the light just so, but you see how it has like that kind of holographic looking, I don't know, you can't really see. So there's that, and then the actual package itself is also that millennial pink color. Super cute. Okay, and the lid has that same little design on it. Ooh, it's definitely a jelly. These don't have a strong fragrance, which is okay with me. See how it has like that jelly consistency? It's not too thick, not too thin. I mean, it's thick enough to where it's not plopping out of the container, but it definitely has like a jelly looking texture to it. It's not opaque. It's very like gelatin-esque. Okay. It says place moisture into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers. Apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisture into skin. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put it on like I usually put moisturizer on. Yeah, you definitely don't need a ton of this. I feel like a little bit is gonna go a long way. It feels really cool and nice on the skin. It's not like a super slippery, oily feeling. It's just a very like hydrated, just like wet feeling, but it's not slippery like oil. It's just like it feels really good. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's little chit-chatty video. I hope that you enjoyed me testing out this new line. Well, it's not a new line. I guess it is a newer line, but testing out this line of skincare. I don't typically have like a full line of all the same products, so this was really, really cool, and I'm so happy. Thank you, Saturday Skin, for sending me these products. This is not a sponsored video, but they did send me the products to test out, so thank you so much. If you guys have tried Saturday Skin before, let me know what your thoughts are down below. I definitely want to check out the eye cream, but other than that, what are your must-haves from the company? I almost dropped it on the floor. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on. I definitely recommend the setting mist, the Rub-A-Dub peel, the cleanser, the sheet mask. I mean, I recommend it all. So let me know what I'm missing out on down below. Remember, you can get these products from Sephora. If you are interested, I will link them individually down below so that you can check it out. But now I'm gonna go put makeup on. I kind of don't want to because my skin feels so nice. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!